Alright, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to obtain the free template for the G2 character Billy 2.0. This is the B2 template created by myself, Ibis Fernandez, and this is available at toontitan.com. Now traditionally it has been available for $50, but in honor of the new user group that we created in Facebook, the Advanced Cartoon Animator user group, I am going to be providing this template for free to give everybody a chance to explore the creation of G2 characters themselves and make it easy for everybody to develop characters and modifications. And of course, the more modifications there are for these type of characters, the more options everybody else will have in terms of being able to produce custom characters without too much effort. Now, once you are at toontitan.com, go to the catalog section and look for the source files and templates section. So we're going to click on that, and you're going to notice that there's a couple of pages here. So let's go to the next page until we find it. So here's the base figure. This is the B2 template. It'll say suggested price, add to cart, blah, blah, blah. If you click on it, or you can click on the button, doesn't matter. It'll take you to the actual page with the description and everything. And you'll notice that you have the ability to name your price. Obviously, if you want to support my efforts, you can pay me a little something, something, help me out, help me be able to continue producing this type of content for you guys and make it available at a reasonable price. So like I said, this is a name your own price system. So basically, if you want to leave a donation, then you're totally free to do it. It's not required. So in this case, I'm going to select $0, hit enter, and add to cart. So once it's in my cart, I can go ahead and check out. So there's a button there for viewing the cart in case you made a mistake, you need to remove things. There's also the cart option up there where it tells you all the things that you've purchased. So this is the template itself. So we're going to go ahead and actually, you know what? I'm going to go to the home section, and I'm going to suggest that also you go ahead and get a free copy of the fully assembled character. So let's go to the catalog, and we're going to go to the character section, and we're going to look for the Billy 2.0 or the B2 base character model. So this is one that's already been pre-rigged, pre-assembled inside of CrazyTalk Animator or Cartoon Animator 4. This is also on a pay whatever you want basis. We're just going to go ahead and do $0. Again, you're more than welcome to leave a little, tip for me, but you don't have to. Click the add to cart button. So now you have the B2 template and the base model itself, the fully assembled and rigged model. Now we can go ahead and check out. So notice that there is a basically a total of $0 that you're going to have to pay. Now you do have to register, because it's going to create an account so that later on in the future, if I do release updates to these things, I want you guys to be able to log in and be able to grab the latest copy of this. So there's not much to it. So once you fill out your information, since you are paying $0, it's not going to ask you to check out with PayPal or credit cards or anything like that. So just, make sure that you read and agree to the terms and conditions. And just place your order. So after that has been done, you will have the option to immediately download these items. Okay. Later on in the future, you can come back to the to your account. If you go to my account, I'm opening it up in a new tab. You can always go to your downloads area. And anything that you've purchased, basically, regardless of whether you paid for it or not, it will be available there as part of your owned products. So here's your base model. Here's your base template. Okay, so at this point, the only thing that I ask of you guys is that do not turn around and resell what I'm giving you for free. Okay, I spent a lot of work and a lot of time creating this character, and it's a huge disrespect for you guys to compile this character and turn around and just try to make money off of it, when me as the creator should be the one doing it, right? Uh, I do basically ask that if you are going to resell anything that you create using these templates, that at least make an effort to change a good 60% of it. Okay, so make it yours. You know, create something original, use it as a starting point, modify it, create t-shirts, pants, shoes, new faces, new eye sprites, create entire character modifications. And feel free to sell those or give them away as you like. Just do not give away the raw assets without modifying them, because basically that's what I'm doing, you know? Um, if you do want to sell or have a platform for distributing your stuff, whether it's free or, you know, for sale, contact me. You know, I can always I can always give you a vendor account at toontitan.com, and you could just make money off of whatever modifications you create and have a platform where you can distribute this content and just kind of, you know, funnel it back into the community. All right, so any other questions, you know, just feel free to get in touch with me.